Good morning. So day 2 of the trip here. Just got the first video done and uploaded. It's processing and stuff now. Gonna post that one shortly. You probably have already watched that one by the time you get to this one. If not, go back and check it out. If you've already seen it, then you already know what the deal is. Today is the opening day of Off Road Products Expo. I love going to conventions and things like this. Meet a ton of people. It's a lot of fun. A ton of contacts. The reason for me being down here today is because 3-Star Industries wants to expand what they offer. They want to make it kind of a one-stop shop for not only windshields, enclosures, skid plates, fender flares, etc. They want you to be able to get other accessories too. If you know anything about 3-Star, you know there will be some stipulations. It must be made in the USA. And really, that's about the only stipulation, I guess. They want American-made products. All their stuff is made in America. And right in the heart of Kentucky. That's what they want to continue to do. So, I'm going to be searching for some things. If you guys got any ideas of some stuff that you'd like to see 3-Star carry, let me know. So right now, we're actually going to head over to the Airbnb, meet up with the MSC guys. And I don't know what we've got going on, but the show doesn't open until 2. Show doesn't open until 2, so we got a little bit of time. We'll see you shortly. All right, we are off to breakfast. We're on our way to Cracker Barrel. It's the best looking truck in this town right now. Get some breakfast in us, and then probably, I would assume, probably head over to the convention center and get ready. All right, just finished up breakfast. Main Street guys are heading to Walmart to grab a few last minute things. I'm going back to the hotel for a minute. Hour before show's open. Get here and check some things out a little early for people to start coming in. So let's see what all we got going on.
They gotta put all the batteries somewhere.
Get in there also.
You gotta crawl up. Okay.
That's all we do.
Okay.
6-month no-fault warranty on all the engines.
Got the nitrous bottle.
Brand new OEM crank. Nickel Steel, we sent it off to Millennium. They do all that for us. Been over there yet?
Yeah. That's That's us. We've been over there this whole time. We're like, let's go walk around and see what's up. So,
Now, that weekend, so we raced CMR
yeah.
the weekend before MudTraxx.
Ah,
Yeah. So I'll be racing that weekend, and then the weekend right after that.
where will this event be?
So CMR is at MudTraxx.
It's a long trailer.
I bet it was one of the first ones in. It's gotta be all professional.
We are higher than the waves. We know that will come a day. We were born to rise above. We were made for greater love. Oh, there's no giving up. Ain't no giving up. Giving up. We were born to rise above. We know change is gonna come. It's gonna come. It's getting tough.
Oh my God.
We can't get nobody to compete against us. They just want to sit up on the side and watch.
Oh, you come down to our
I'm like,
you
what
come
the
to our
heck?
event, we're gonna get people competing against you.
Yeah.
You can get the tune for free, basically, and only charge you the price of
All right, just finished dinner. Everybody's tired. Been a long day. Mr. Corn Dog himself up there.
You'll learn what that's about later.
Oh man. What's wrong, Blake? You still upset that Steve shared your corn dog pictures in every CFMoto group on Facebook?
Yeah, that was garbage, man. That was garbage. You know what? We're going to get him back. Dylan, you know those combo kits with the MSC tune and the MSC Stage 3 clutch kit?
Yeah.
Let's make it where the people can buy that kit and get the tune for free, basically, and only charge them the price of a Stage 3 clutch kit.
Let's do it.
What's the promo code?
Let's do corn dog.
Of course, corn dog. Okay, look, so for a full month, you go to mainstreetcycle.com and use the promo code corn dog, but make sure that you check out with the combo kit. Look for the MSC Stage 3 clutch kit and the tune combo. Put that in your cart, use the promo code corn dog, and you'll get, man, for the price of the clutch kit. That's crazy. Let's stick it to the man. mainstreetcycle.com. I'm out of here.
Hey guys, what's going on with Blake? He's acting crazy. What's he done?
I don't know.
So we're gonna go, I think probably rest up and get ready for a long, long day tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a rough one.